for today's video, guys, I just want to show you something. Okay, guys. Mag-unbox tayo. Look at what I have. Tadaan! Ito. Mag-movie nga natin. Aray. Ito. Make it up. My video. Look, my video. It's so amazing! Ang ganda kaya, guys. Ang ganda ng cellphone ko. Look, para lang ako nasa digicam. Wait, I will show you. Oops! I have here. What do you call this? How about this? What's this? The charger. Wait, I show you. Maliit lang pala siya, pero you know how much this one? It's about 300 SR. Look what I have. Tadaan! It's so amazing. Sure. Diba? Para pag gusto mong mag-movie, hindi mo na kailangan ng malaking TV or space, something like that. Oh my god. So love it. So yun, guys, na-order ko lang siya for how much? 280 something like that. Tapos tinabi ko lang. 'Di ba? Ang ganda. So tomorrow it's my day off. So I will try this one. Next time, guys, I'll show you kung paano ko 'to siya gawin.